Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can restrict or follower on threads. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Next, select the follower. After that, tap on the profile. Next, you can find a three dots icon beside the bell icon above the profile picture of the follower. Tap on the three dots icon and then select the restrict option. And that's it. This is how you can restrict a follower on threads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.